Practice paper set 2, calculator paper questions onwards. A curve has the equation y equals x cubed minus 9x squared plus 24x minus 16. Show that the curve passes through with a point 1, 0. So x equals 1 and y equals 0. So 1 cubed minus 9 times 1 plus 24 times 1 minus 16. So 1 minus 9 plus 24 minus 16. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. So x equals 1, y equals 0. State the coordinates of the point where the curve meets the y-axis. Y-axis when x equals 0, so it will be 0, negative 16, because all of the parts with x's will cancel out. Work out dy by dx, so multiply by the power, lower the power by 1, 3x squared minus 18x plus 24, so that's dy by dx is equal to... Okay, work out the coordinates of the two stationary points on the curve. So I've copied my dy by dx from the previous page and the equation of the curve from the previous page. So stationary points, dy by dx is equal to 0. So 3x squared minus 18x plus 24 is equal to 0. Common factor of 3 there, so I'm going to divide everything through by 3. X squared minus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Gives me x minus 4, x minus 2 is equal to 0. X equals 4 or 2. Then using my equation for y to get the y coordinates, I have 4 cubed minus 9 times 4 squared plus 24 times 4 minus 16, and 2 cubed minus 9 times 2 squared plus 24 times 2 minus 16. And I get both of those from my calculator. So y equals 0 here and y equals 4 here. So 4, 0 and 2, 4. Okay, you are given that the curve has one maximum point, one minimum point. Sketch the curve. Okay, from the previous page we knew that the y-intercept was negative 16. Negative 16. We know 4, 0 is a turning point. We know 2, 4 is also a turning point. And from the previous page we also know that 1, 0 is where it crosses. So it looks something like that. That's supposed to hit that there. Okay. Oh, I hope your graphs look better than that. Question 13. Cylinder A has a radius of x centimetres and a height of x centimetres. Cylinder B has a radius of y centimetres and a height of 2y centimetres. You are given that the total surface area of A is equal to the total surface area of B. Show that x squared equals 3 over 2y squared. Okay, well, the surface area is the circumference of the circle times x plus the two circles. So we've got pi x squared times 2 plus 2x pi times x is equal to 2 pi y squared plus 2y pi times 2y. So we have got 4y squared pi plus 2y squared pi. So that is 6y squared pi on this side. And then we've got 2 pi x squared plus 2 pi x squared. So altogether we have 4 pi x squared on this side. So that all together we want to make x squared the subject. So x squared is equal to 6y squared over 4. And that is pi, and there's a pi there as well. The pi's cancel out. So we get, simplify the fraction, so we get 3y squared over 2. Thought that was going to be nasty. Which cylinder has the greater height? Okay. Not 100% sure how I'll go about checking this. I guess I'll find x. So x is equal to the square root of 3 over 2 y squared, which is equal to root 3 over 2 y. Okay, from my calculator I know that the square root of 3 over 2 is less than 2, so x must be less than 2y. So the taller cylinder must be B. Question 14. Here is a sketch of y equals x cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, where b, c and d are constants. Work out the values of b, c and d. Okay, well, in factorised form, the equation of this line is going to be x plus 1, x minus 2, x minus 5, and if we go ahead and expand those brackets, we get x plus 1 times x squared minus 7x plus 10, and then finally x cubed minus 7x squared plus 10x plus x squared minus 7x plus 10. So b must be minus 6, c must be 3, and d must be 10. Okay. Work out the values of a and b such that x squared minus 6x plus 5 is... Okay, so we've completed the square, so it would be x minus 3 squared, that's minus 9, plus 5, so that would be minus 4. X minus 3 squared minus 4, so a must be minus 3 and b must be minus 4. rearrange the equation to make p the subject. Okay, so I've got to get that part by itself first, so negative m minus 12 is equal to p minus 1 squared. So we get the square root of 12 minus m is equal to p minus 1. And then we get plus 1 both sides, so we get 1 plus or minus the square root of 12 minus m. Okay.